Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP in Canada. So in order to do it, you can use this exchange that is named Bitunix.com. You can even use the link that is given in the description in order to get some extra welcome bonuses when you create your account with that link over here. Now, Bitunix is a platform where you don't need to actually complete your KYC and you can purchase XRP in spot and even in futures. So here, once you have successfully created your account, you just have to simply deposit some USDT in your account. So in order to deposit that, you need to click on the deposit option and you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to successfully deposit USDT in your account. Now once this step is done, you need to click on the spot option if you want to buy XRP in spot, and here you need to use the search bar in the top left hand corner of the screen and you need to search for XRP. Now once you are able to find the XRP slash USDT pair, you need to simply click on it and it will open the XRP chart in front of you. So over here, in order to place the order, you just have to simply scroll down a bit and in the bottom you will be able to see this limit order and the market order. So here you can either place the limit order and the market order. If you don't know what the difference is between these two, then let me tell you. If you select the market order, you will purchase XRP on the market price. So currently it is at 2.5640. So you will be able to purchase XRP in the market order if you select it. But with limit order, you can enter your own price. So let's say the current market price of XRP is this, but you want to purchase at this price, or maybe you can select any of the prices of your choice at which you want to basically purchase XRP. After entering that amount, you just have to enter the amount of quantity that you want to purchase, and then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to basically spend. So you can select any of these and it will select the USDT equivalent automatically. Then you need to click on the buy XRP option and your order will be placed. And when the XRP price comes to the price that you have selected or put it over here, your order will be placed and you will get your XRP in your wallet. Now similar is the case with futures. If you want to trade XRP in futures in Canada, you need to select the futures option in the top and then it will open the futures chart in front of you. From there, you just have to select the same option and you will be able to place your order successfully. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.